It was New Zealand engineer William Hamilton who developed jet boats in the 1950s. Since then, jet boats demonstrated their popularity in other ways. It's a kind of boat wherein the water is sucked up beneath the watercraft, through an intake and ejected from the back of the vessel. Thinking of getting your own jet boat? Check out these best jet boats you can buy around $100,000. Welcome to Harbour Masters, your source of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. Beginning at number 5 is Yamaha 252SD. This model is powered by 1.8-litre twin-engine Yamaha Marine. With a gross weight of 4,612 pounds, this jet boat has a fuel capacity of 75 gallons or 284 litres. At least 12 passengers can sit comfortably in this unit. With luxury features and a striking modern design, Yamaha 252SD offers a one-of-a-kind boating experience for enthusiasts who demand excellence, according to the manufacturer. This unit is equipped with Yamaha's E-Series drive-by-wire functionality and 12.3-inch Connex touchscreen display, as well as Yamaha's drive paddle control system. This system makes maneuvering in tight spaces and around the dock stress-free. This model has a base price of over $89,000. Number 4 is the Scarab 255ID. The 255 Open ID is Scarab's flagship center console with dual-jet propulsion and has a gross weight of 3,660 pounds. The engine type is called 2022 Twin Rotax 230 ECT, while the boat's fuel capacity is 56 gallons or 212 litres. The 255ID is designed to maximize onboard space, with storage and seating for up to 13 passengers. Onboard the 255ID, there is plenty of seating, with superior upholstery and courtesy lighting and cup holders located throughout the vessel. Stainless steel fixtures, such as grab grips, drains, and boarding ladders, are used. For the hull, deck, and graphics, Scarab provides a variety of color options. The removable backrests, that transition forward, can be used to convert the bench chairs into port and starboard lounges. There is also compartment in the deck for water sports equipment. The watercraft has a starting price of over $94,000. At number 3 is the Scarab 285ID. Scarab 285ID is an evolutionary stride for the jet boat industry. It has a gross weight of 5,750 pounds, and the engine type is called 2022 Twin Rotax 170 ECT. Dubbed as the most luxurious, next-generation recreational jet boat on the market, this model has a fuel capacity of 98 gallons or 371 litres. The seating is spacious, accommodating at least 15 passengers. Scarab 285ID is perfect for day cruising, water sports, and overnight cruising. The touchscreen display, which is situated in a head-up position like an Audi Q7, is the most technologically advanced feature. With just one swipe, you may access the rider profile page, containing 5 presets for your favorite riders. This monitor, when combined with music control and other innovative capabilities, creates an engaging skipper experience. Even the passenger has a touchscreen that controls the music. This model has a starting price of $140,000. Coming at number 2 is Yamaha's ultimate wake surf boat, Yamaha 255XD. This model is powered by twin 1.8-liter Super Vortex high-output, supercharged marine engine. It has a fuel capacity of 75 gallons or 284 liters. Enjoy wake surfing with friends as this unit comes as a 12-passenger jet boat. Yamaha 255XD is equipped with SurfPoint Wake Surf system with push-button controlled, integrated Yamaha wake enhancer and a triple ballast system to create a clean, surfable wake. According to Yamaha, the 255XD also comes with E-Series features and Yamaha's drive system with steering wheel paddle controls. The boat's engine controls are digital, and many are accessed through the Connex screen. This model has starting price of over $135,000. Before we move on to our top choice, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share some of your boating stories and adventures down below. Finally at number 1 is Yamaha 275SD. With its wide beam space, this jet boat has a gross weight of 5,466 pounds. The boat is a contender in this larger dayboat category, with a fuel capacity of 90 gallons or 341 liters. The Yamaha 275 series jet boats are perfect for families invested in the waterfront lifestyle, allowing 15 passengers to sit comfortably. Yamaha 275SD has a hardtop with skylight panels and arching side window frames. The boat is equipped with Yamaha drive system. This system is activated by a button on the 12.3-inch Connex touchscreen display and controlled by a pair of paddles. This Connex screen shows all instrumentation, a boatload of data, a mapping function, and controls for the standard 6-speaker plus subwoofer wet sounds audio system. This jet boat has a base price of $141,899. So, what do you think of this list? Did we miss anything? Don't forget to subscribe, and check out our channel for more exciting boating videos. As always, thank you for watching, and smooth sailing.